Welcome to Creative Canvas. Today, we're diving into one of the deepest, most mysterious places on Earth, the Mariana Trench. Located in the Western Pacific Ocean, it is the deepest known point in our oceans, and it holds many secrets that scientists are still uncovering. Why is the Mariana Trench so important? It is not just deep. It is a symbol of Earth's extreme environments, and it offers scientists a window into understanding Earth's geology, ecosystems, and how life can thrive in the most extreme conditions. The Mariana Trench is located in the Western Pacific Ocean, east of the Mariana Islands. It stretches for about 2,550 kilometers, 1,580 miles, and reaches a maximum depth of 36,070 feet, 10,994 meters, at the Challenger Deep, its deepest point. The trench was first discovered in 1875 during the British HMS Challenger expedition, hence the name Challenger Deep for the deepest part of the trench. Over the years, many exploratory missions have ventured into the trench, yet remains largely unexplored due to the extreme conditions, such as immense pressure, freezing temperatures, and total darkness. The pressure at the bottom of the trench is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, making it nearly impossible for most forms of life to survive without unique adaptations. The formation of the Mariana Trench is a result of tectonic plate movements, specifically the subduction zone, where the Pacific Plate is being forced underneath the Mariana Plate. This subduction process creates the deep trench and also contributes to volcanic activity in the region, which gives rise to the Mariana Islands. The trench is essentially a giant crack in the Earth's crust, formed by the movement of the tectonic plates, and is constantly shifting due to geological forces. One of the most remarkable features of the Mariana Trench is its unique ecosystem. Despite the extreme conditions, life thrives in the depths. Creatures like the Hadal snailfish, giant amoebas, cusk eels, and anglerfish have adapted to survive in such a harsh environment. The organisms living in the trench have evolved special mechanisms to deal with the enormous pressure, near freezing temperatures, and absence of light. Some of these species have bioluminescence, meaning they can produce their own light to attract prey or mates, while others have flexible, gelatinous bodies that can withstand the crushing pressure. The trench has been explored using advanced technologies, including submersibles and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs. In 2012, renowned filmmaker and explorer James Cameron made a historic solo dive to the bottom of the trench in a specially designed submersible called the Deep Sea Challenger, helping to collect important data about the trench's biology and geology. However, even with modern technology, the trench is still one of the least explored places on Earth, and scientists continue to discover new species and learn more about its unique characteristics. The Mariana Trench is the deepest oceanic trench on Earth, and the Challenger Deep is the lowest known point in Earth's oceans. To put it in perspective, if you were to place Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, at the bottom of the trench, its peak would still be over a mile underwater. The Mariana Trench was formed through a process called subduction, where one tectonic plate is pushed under another. In this case, the Pacific Plate is being forced beneath the Mariana Plate, causing the formation of this deep trench. This subduction zone is responsible for the trench's extreme depth and also creates significant geological activity, including the formation of volcanic islands in the region. The subduction of the oceanic crust at the trench is part of the continuous cycle of plate tectonics that shapes the Earth's surface. Unfortunately, the Mariana Trench is not immune to the impacts of human activity. Despite its remoteness, pollution has been detected in the trench, with plastic debris and other waste being found in the deepest parts of the ocean. This has raised concerns about the long-term health of the trench's ecosystem and the need for stronger protection of these fragile and vital marine environments. In conclusion, the Mariana Trench is not just the deepest place on Earth, but also a unique and mysterious part of our planet that offers incredible insights into the extremes of life and geology. As exploration technologies continue to improve, we are likely to uncover even more about this hidden, alien-like world beneath the ocean. The trench remains one of the final frontiers of exploration on Earth, with secrets that may change our understanding of life and the planet itself. This explanation covers the basics, including the trench's location, formation, significance, ecosystem, exploration history, and challenges. It should provide a solid foundation for your video. ensuring your audience gets a comprehensive understanding of the Mariana Trench. The trench was first explored during the 1875 HMS Challenger expedition, which discovered extreme depth and mapped its boundaries. This led to the naming of the trench's deepest point, Challenger Deep. Modern exploration. In more recent years, scientists have used advanced technology to explore the trench. With the development of sonar mapping, they were able to create more accurate 3D models of the trench and its environment. James Cameron's dive. In 2012, filmmaker and explorer James Cameron made a historic solo journey to the bottom of the Mariana Trench, diving more than 35,000 feet in a specially designed submersible called Deep-Sea Challenger. This was a landmark achievement in deep-sea exploration and provided scientists with invaluable data on the trench's environment. Technological challenges. Exploring the trench is incredibly difficult due to extreme pressure, cold temperatures, and darkness. The pressure at the bottom is over 1,000 times the standard atmospheric pressure at sea level, which requires specially built submersibles to withstand the conditions. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Mariana Trench is the life that exists there. Despite the darkness, extreme pressure, and cold, the trench is home to a number of unique and resilient species. Notable species. Hadal snailfish. One of the species found deep within the trench is the Hadal snailfish, which has adapted to live at extreme depths. Anglerfish. The anglerfish is another example, with its bioluminescent lure used to attract prey in the pitch-black waters. Deep-sea cusk eel. The cusk eel is also known to survive in these extreme conditions, demonstrating the adaptability of life in such environments. Microorganisms. There are also bacteria and single-celled organisms living in the trench, which help break down dead material that sinks from above. Adaptations. These creatures have developed remarkable adaptations, such as special enzymes, unique body structures, and the ability to withstand extreme pressures found in the trench. Despite being the deepest and most remote part of our planet, the Mariana Trench is not immune to human impact. In recent years, scientists have discovered plastic debris and pollutants in the trench, including microplastics and other pollutants. Environmental impact. This highlights how pervasive pollution has become, reaching even the most remote and previously untouched areas of the ocean. The discovery of pollutants at such depths is concerning and shows the global scale of the environmental crisis. Conservation efforts. As a result, several organizations and governments are pushing for greater protection of the trench and its ecosystem. There is a growing call to regulate fishing, minimize pollution, and ensure that areas like the Mariana Trench are safeguarded from further damage. If you could take a submarine to the bottom of the Mariana Trench, you would experience over 1,000 times the pressure you feel on the surface. The trench is so deep that scientists believe we've only explored a small fraction of it. There are still many undiscovered species and geological features lurking at the bottom. In addition to its depth, the trench is one of the least explored areas on Earth, leaving many unanswered questions about its ecosystems and geology. Mysteries. What else might be lurking at the bottom of the Mariana Trench? Could there be undiscovered life forms or geological features we have yet to explore? The trench still holds many secrets, and it continues to be a subject of scientific fascination. The Mariana Trench is not just the deepest part of the Earth. It is a living mystery that reveals much about our planet's geology, ecosystems, and environmental challenges. While we made huge strides in exploring its depths, much remains unknown. If you liked the video, please give it a like, comment, and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Your support will help me move forward. I hope you won't be disappointed.